These are some accessories, guys, that is under $50 for your Osmo Pocket 3 that I think you'd like. Let's get into the video. The Osmo Pocket 3, guys, is a phenomenal camera. As you know, guys, I've done many videos on the Osmo Pocket 3, but I'm going to be sharing these accessories that I think you will appreciate. So the first one is, open the box right here. Once you open the box, it's just a simple attachment that goes below the Osmo Pocket 3, just like that, as you can see there. Nothing big. And all you do is you put it below the Osmo Pocket 3, like so, and it looks like that. What normally came with the standard one that came with the Osmo Pocket 3 is this one here. You can see how big it truly is. If you compare the sizes, you'll see the difference. And the thing I like about this, you can actually charge your Osmo Pocket 3 while this is attached to it. All right, and this is a brand called Pulos. I will put the price on the screen for you guys so you can know what the cost is. Let me move on to the next one. So the next one, guys, is another attachment that actually goes below your Osmo Pocket 3, and this is from a company called Cam. And it's a very simple packaging, guys, nothing crazy, just this inside the packaging, and that's it. And it comes with 2 Allen keys and some rubber grommets. That's pretty much it. All right, so pretty much what it is, it has a nice quick release right here, and you can turn this to any angle and slide it in, and it works phenomenally. All right, and all you do, once I take the rubber grommet off the top of it, I pretty much just use one of the Allen key that is inside the case, take it out, so all I'm going to do, I'm going to screw this to the bottom of the Osmo Pocket 3, like so, and just like that, it is on there. And all you do now, pretty much just slide it on. Make sure you press it, make sure you press it in, and you just slide it in and out. And just like that. I have this little stand here that I can just screw this below. And you can see here, move this out of the way, you have a nice little setup for your Osmo Pocket 3. And it's looking just like that. Okay, so let's move to the next item now, guys. So the next item we have on the list is from Ulanzi. It's right here. And it comes with the cage and a lanyard. All right, so I'm not going to be using the lanyard, so I'll put that to the side. And pretty much what the cage is, you have a safety right here, a latch right here, a little red latch right here, and you just slide it down, and then you open the back. What I like about this, guys, is the fact that it actually is made of, is that aluminum or metal, but the even better, guys, is it has the rubber on the inside, so you don't have to worry about whether or not it's going to scratch up your Osmo Pocket 3. So let me get it on to the Osmo Pocket 3 right now. I'm just going to put it right here. So just make sure that it lines up with the front, like so. Just like that. And then it snaps into place. I can see what that looks like. Really, really good. And like I mentioned, the rubber grommet is on the inside, so you don't have to worry if it's going to be damaging your outside of your Osmo Pocket 3. Also, I have another accessory that is going to work well with this actual item, and this is from Ulanzi as well, and this is the LM18 quick release mini LED light. All right, and this is pretty much it, and I'm just going to open the case. What comes inside the case is just a USB-C, USB-A, and you have the little light, and you use this to charge it, and instruction manual. I'm just going to put that to the side. You can see what this actually looks like. Nothing fancy. And all you do, guys, is pretty much you have your Osmo Pocket 3. The thing I like about this too, guys, is that you can actually attach this light on either side. So in other words, if you have 2 of these, you can definitely attach it. So I'm going to attach it right here on the side, and it literally just snaps into place. And there's a little button on the side right here. You just press it, press and hold it, and the light is on just like that, as you can see right there, guys. And it has, I think, 3 levels. That's first, second, and third. And it looks really, really bright, guys, as you can see right there. If I turn off my main light right here, I'm just going to use my app. I'm just going to turn it off, and you can see how bright this light actually is. I'm going to press it. That's this lowest. Then you have that level, and then you have that level right there. Very, very nice. If you're someone that works by yourself, you can definitely vlog, talk to your camera, look at what is happening on the screen, as well as have a really nice exposure for yourself. All right. So let me turn this off, and then turn on back my light. All right. So the final piece now, guys, is from Small Rig. And this one is a hot shoe mount for your Osmo Pocket. It's got a cold shoe mount rather for your Osmo Pocket 3. So this can be used for literally anything. But why I like this, guys, is that it can work in conjunction with the bottom piece right here. All right, this piece right here, guys, as I mentioned. So what I'll do, I'll show you guys right now. So what I'll do first is I'll get this onto my camera, put it onto the cold shoe mount. Make sure that it's on there. Next, what I'll do, I'll detach this. So right now it is attached to the camera, just like that. And then now I'm just gonna get my Osmo Pocket 3, and I'm gonna make sure that the screen is facing me. So all I'm gonna do is just lock it in, and it's in there, guys. As you can see right there, how that looks. But the good thing about this now, guys, is you can actually you can release this little knob right here, and then you can just slide this forward just like that, and then it actually looks something like that. You guys can see right there. Looks really, really nice. And now if I should just turn on my Osmo Pocket 3 just like that, and I'm ready to rock and roll, as you can see right there, guys, what it actually looks like. So if you notice I'm moving my camera, and the gimbal is actually moving, staying locked into the direction that I'm moving. So if I have the camera to my eyes like so, and I'm changing, I don't have to worry whether or not it's capturing what is in front of me. All right, and I think that looks really good, guys. So guys, let me know what you guys think of these accessories right here. Like I mentioned before, they're under $50. And the build quality of each of these items is pretty good for what you're paying. I will definitely, for each of the items, have prices on there. Also, guys, links would be in the description below. It's an affiliate link that really helps the channel out. So you guys can use that link to kind of help us out, just to support the channel and purchase any of these items down there, guys. If you guys have really enjoyed this video, smash that like button, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe for more. And there are probably videos here that I think you'll be interested in. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.